Hey guys, so today we're going to be exploring the new print-on-demand tool that we have built. We made it a lot nicer, and we're just going to go ahead and create 100 different t-shirts from scratch just so we can show you guys how simple it is to get started using OpenAI to generate the assets necessary for a real-life product. Uh, so to get started, all you really need is two windows open. You can go ahead and pull up our application, which isn't deployed yet, but it will be here pretty soon. Get that up on the right side of your screen, as well as a new Printify tab on the left. You can go ahead and log in or sign up if you don't already have an account. You can do it for free. It will just take a couple of seconds, but you're gonna need a store if you want to start using our tool. So we're just gonna go ahead and create ourselves a brand new store just from scratch, and we'll go ahead and just for simplicity, we're gonna use this Printify pop-up shop. And basically what that means is Printify is gonna host all of our products, and basically they'll be like our storefront, so we don't have to go ahead and create a whole new website to start selling. We can just use the Printify pop-up right away. But I would recommend using WooCommerce. That's what I personally use, or Shopify. Those are also good alternatives, but we'll just use this. And we're gonna call our store test demo store, Leumas test demo store, we'll call it. Yes, I am a US resident, and yes, I accept and understand. Okay, so let's go ahead and check out our store. We'll open that in a new tab, and there's going to be no products in it yet, but we're going to start adding them here in just a second. So to do that, now that we have our store, we're going to go ahead and grab our Printify API key. To do that, you'll just click in the top right corner and click on connections. You can generate yourself a brand new token, and we'll call this token test demo token. I'm going to delete this token after, so I don't mind showing it in the video, but if you're going to be using our tool, just for your safety, because it's a bring your own API key platform, be sure just to delete your API key every time you use the application. If you're going to use it at all, I won't be responsible if anything happens to your Printify API keys. These API keys have some very sensitive information. For example, now that you have your API key, you can come over to Leumas AI and drop your API key and click Get Shops. Great, now you'll be able to see all the different shops that you have available for your API key, and you're basically set for our app. So we can go back to our dashboard now and click on the AI tools, where we'll click on Leumas Pod, our print-on-demand tool. So now that we dropped our API key, we can see all the stores that we have available for that API key. We're going to be uploading to the test demo store. And okay, let's start here. Let's get some assets for some images. We're going to need some images, and that starts with list mode. Okay, so we want 50. Okay, and we're going to ask for prompts to send to DALLE image for a nice... Okay, what kind of store do we want to create? So let's say we're a Pokemon store, or a Dogecoin store. We love everything Dogecoin related. We'll use that as an example. We want to sell merch that's all Dogecoin related. So what we need to do first is to get a bunch of images that are Dogecoin related, and that's where this create list comes in handy, because we're going to ask for prompts to send to DALLE image generator for a pixel art of Doge in various places with a white background, just for simplicity. And we're only going to ask for 50. No, we'll do 100 because we want to build 100 products. We'll do 150 even. Why not? We're going to push it because we're not going to generate all the images. That's going to take some time. Okay. So while that's running, we're going to go ahead up here and we're going to start building out our queue that we want to build. So we're building a bunch of images or prompts to send for images right now for Dogecoin related stuff. And we want, let's make it all t-shirts. We'll sell just simple t-shirts, men's, women's, children's. So let's go ahead and add on to our queue. We'll have men's, we'll have unisex, we'll have a women's. Okay, and let's find one for children. Toddlers, there we go. Okay. And then let's do more because we really want to push it. There we go, perfect timing. Our thing's done. So you know what, why not also make something completely random just to test out and see all the different things we can build. We'll go ahead and build in white mugs or glass ornaments. Okay, so we sell Doge related t-shirts and ornaments. Obviously something completely random just to show you all the different options you have available with this tool. But perfect. Now we have exactly what we're supposed to get from here. We have 150 different prompts to send to ChatGPT, or DALLE, excuse me. So let's go ahead and save that as a text file. And okay, just in case anything goes wrong, but we can start processing these as images. And once we click that button, what's gonna happen here is now when we go to do it images, great, now we can see all of our prompts that we just created, all 150 of them. Perfect, okay. And we're going to create 3 images per prompt. So that's gonna be 450 images, about 1 penny for each. That's gonna be about $4 in image assets. And it's gonna take a couple minutes, but let's go ahead and start generating. We'll do around the first 10 just so we can get some built up here. Wait, so hold on, let me do some quick math. If we do okay, so we'll do 4. Okay, so if we do 4 images times 10, that's 40. Times 5, that's going to be 200. Okay, so we'll only do 2. So 2, and we'll do the first 10, that's 20 times 5. Perfect. Okay, sorry that took me a second. I have had no sleep. I am so tired. But we're going to start processing our items. And now we're going to start getting our image assets one by one. Isn't that exciting? So I'm going to go ahead and cut the camera, and I'll just wait for all of the images to generate, and we'll be ready to toss these onto our products and start setting up our image queue here in just a second. So, be right back. Okay, so I let it run for about 5 minutes and came back, and we should have enough just to make 100 different t-shirts. So you can see each prompt gave us 2 images, and I mean they're not the prettiest images in the world, but I mean it's just for test purposes. So let's go ahead and get started with creating our actual pairs. So I forgot, we're going to have to refresh the page after our images are done in order to see them in our queue, which is a little obsolete for now, but I'll get that fixed. So once you have all the images that you want, you can go ahead and refresh your page and come back to the pod tool, and now you can see, whoa, all of our images are different. So we can go ahead and select all of the last 40 images. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so that's 10. Go ahead and now we're gonna select, this is 20. Okay, just a little bit more. We'll select 40 images times 5 product. I'm bad at math. We'll select 30 images, whatever. Okay. So we have to set up our queue one more time. Perfect. Now all the pairs are creating. Down 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So we want men's, we have unisex, we want women's. Okay, we want infants, and we want ornaments if I can find them again. Otherwise we'll go something different. Okay, we'll go with not a piece of glue. We'll go with a mouse pad. Yeah. Dog related mouse pads. Okay. So we don't have to set a price or anything. Honestly, I found it way easier to do it directly through Printify, so we'll see that in just a second. So now that we have all of the assets ready for 100 different products, now we can start processing our queue items, which is exciting. So let's go ahead and start running them. I'm trying to make sure that I don't see all of the okay. Well, let's see how many this makes. Sorry, got a little distracted there. We want this to go to Leumas test demo store. I forgot. Okay, now we're ready to start processing. Let's start processing. It's gonna happen fast. So, bam, processing, done. Woohoo! So now we can go back to our Leumas test demo store, refresh the page, and we should see products in there. We're still processing. Okay, let's give it a second. Okay, looks like that's it. And we should be in Leumas test demo store. I don't know why they're not coming up. Browse products. What the frick? Oh, that's the problem. I uploaded into the wrong store. I'm so stupid. Okay, so this is buggy. They actually uploaded the whole time. Okay, thank goodness. I thought the whole app was broken and I had to delete the whole video. But, no, yay. So the problem is, this select, when you change it, it's not updating the ID for the store that we're trying to send to. Originally it was set to Cursed Teas, and when we tried to change it to Leumas Test Demo, it didn't change. So therefore we gotta fix the onChange event for that, and it will upload to the right store. But if you only have one store, everything should be fine. You can see we have all 100 products in here, and some of them are actually really nice. And if we want to click on them to actually publish them, the reason they don't publish is because we don't want to upload any bag products, so we'll have to verify that they look good before we can click this publish button here. You're gonna wanna maybe change the pricing, and that's what I was trying to refer to earlier. It's way easier to do it here. You can just edit the profit, and let's say you want a 20% profit margin. There you go. It's set just like that. It's way easier to do it here, and it would slow me down on the app if I had to create this from scratch. So yeah, for now, until I can find help on the app, this is obviously the most efficient way of getting the prices changed for your products. But yeah, once you change the title, so we'll say this is a published product 8/13/23 Leumas test pod video. Okay, and we're going to publish this, and we can actually see it live in the WooCommerce store that it just sent to. So it's first.tees.leumas.tech. Yeah, here. This is a published product. Yeah. 6x ready to sell. I don't know why the images aren't there. That is so strange. Well, that is a strange one indeed. We'll have to figure that one out. But yeah, that's basically it. I'm gonna have to debug a little bit more, but yeah, if you want me to run the tool myself to build you out your own e-commerce store, I could do that too. The link will be down in the description below to request my services. Also, if you're looking to contribute to this project yourself, if you think you would be a good fit or a good candidate to assist me in my endeavors, feel free to contact me. The link is also in the description below. Yeah, that's basically it. Thanks for watching, guys.